Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. I'm showing you today how to apply our fuel door overlay for this 2022 Honda Civic sedan. This installation video is actually going to go for all of our fuel door overlays since we don't have a video out yet. So if you were linked to this for another vehicle, same process, different shape. So first you're gonna wanna start by cleaning the body of the car around the area where you're installing on. You're going to want to go ahead and rub this down with a rubbing alcohol to remove any wax or anything that you might have on the vehicle. Give it one last pass over to remove any dust. And then these are applied completely dry. This is a air release wrap material. So you're going to start by peeling the material off from the backing paper. And you want to just sort of align it so you're halfway in that gap. As long as that looks good, we're going to start on the body line crease here and press that down first. So that's going to lock the top and the bottom of this film down. And then you're going to take your squeegee, sort of work from the center out. Just pushing the air out as you go. We're going to do the top side, same manner. If you don't have a squeegee, you can use like a Bondo card or an old credit card wrapped in a microfiber. It would give the same effect. Also, depending on your climate, if it's colder, you might have to use a heat gun to make the material a little bit more pliable. We do recommend about a 60-degree install outside air temperature. Any colder than that, this material becomes a little brittle. There's a higher tendency of tearing. Once it's installed, you don't have to worry about that, but the initial installation is what you have to worry about. So once you have the outside installed, you're going to want to start to roll this over the corners. I'm just using the pad of my thumb to do that. I'm also just taking like a fingertip at a time. So if you go all the way around, you're gonna end up bunching the material and you're gonna get some creasing on the edges. I do recommend doing a post heat with this just so you can get any extra bubbles out of the material that you might have missed. Post heat on a low setting with a heat gun or hair dryer. And then if you did happen to miss something while you're pressing the material down, you'll be able to see it at that point and then work it out. If a bubble does pop up, wait for it to cool before trying to press it down. Once it does cool, then you can work the air out through the material. So again, this is the gloss black carbon fiber film. This is a product for the 2022 Plus Honda Accord. Available on our website. The link for this is in the video description below. If you have any questions, please let us know. And thanks for watching.